truck driver ways to make money trading Forex. All right, 3 easy ways to make truck drivers to make money trading Forex. Anyone else can do this. I'm just basically mentioning truck drivers, but I also mention college students. Anyone. I'm a retired truck driver, retired trucking business owner, and I want to introduce this information to the trucking industry, to the truck drivers, to show them how they can make money in the trucking industry while yet they are still driving the truck. It doesn't matter who you are. You can be a teacher, you can be a regular employee. But this is 3 easy ways that you can make money in the Forex market. And you can do this without experience. The first way, and this solves a problem of not having enough income. This solves a problem of not having enough time because you may have to work 2 jobs. This solves a problem of not having enough income and not having enough time to do things with your family. So when you learn these 3 easy ways, then you'll be able to make money the way that you in the way that you would like, as much as you would like. You'll be able to make it in a market that's open 24 hours a day. You'll also be able to have enough income to create your own economy so you can have a stable financial life and be able to enjoy time with your family. So I'm gonna the first way that you can make money is through SwipeTrades. I'm gonna play this little video for you, and right now you're seeing the back office of my IML back office. You see where we have different trainings. And the second way you'll be able to make money is through the web analyzer we have, and I'm gonna show you that. But right now I'm gonna play this little video so that you can see just how easy it is.
What if there was a way where you could literally make money from your phone 5.5 days a week? Introducing SwipeTrades, the simple-to-use app that enables you to tap into a $5 trillion a day industry called the foreign exchange. And the best part is, you don't have to do any homework. Professional experts and traders simply give you trades that you can enter into and profit from. That's right, they do the work for you, and all you have to do is copy and paste. Just simply open your SwipeTrades app, look at the information given for the trade, then simply copy and paste that information into your MetaTrader 4 app. Before placing the trade, verify the info before pressing submit. Once verified, press place and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. They do the research and you take the trades and potential profits. So what are you waiting for? Simply get back to the person who sent you this video and start making profits.
As you can see, profits are not guaranteed. Past profits do not guarantee future profits. But again, this is easy way. One of the ways that you can do it. Another way is through our web scanner. I'm going to show you the web scanner. Let me find that real quick because I want to hurry up and get this video over with. Web scanner, where are your web scanner? Here's a picture of our web scanner, and with the web scanner, we also have live interacting training of IML TV web scanner. Here, matter of fact, here's the TV guy to tell you when they're gonna have it. As you can see, this is just one of the 3 ways, and these are the instructors. As you can see, the time that they have. Yes, we have Ms. Lee Allen, Bill Granville, Davin Akeo, Sean Sutton. These are 3 different ways, 3 easy ways that you can make money trading Forex. Well, the 4th way, if you decide you want to, you can receive commissions for every time you tell someone about this. You can also grow a separate business. But if you do not want to grow a business as a truck driver or anyone else, you can make money doing this, using this SwipeTrade, using web analyzer, and we'll teach you how to do it. Now, I just really want you to understand how easy this is. I really want you to understand, because when you understand it, then you'll be able to believe and accept it and achieve your goals that you want. But again, 3 easy truck driver ways that a driver can make money in the trucking industry trading Forex market, using SwipeTrades, using the web analyzer, and also by telling other drivers or anyone else, and be getting paid for that. I'm Tyree Thomas Jr., the blog trucking preacher. More information, click the link below in the description. Click the link below, get more information, and you're going to see more videos to come along with this. But click the link below, okay? Thank you all and be blessed.